Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma, a skin, hair and nail clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, Bangalore. So one of the treatments which is given for menopause is called as hormone replacement therapy. So menopause is a time when women start noticing decline in their female hormones, which causes a lot of changes in the body, including the skin getting dry and the skin losing its luster and starts looking dull. So hormone replacement therapy helps to again get back the glow in the skin starts looking shiny, the acne reduce, the unwanted facial hair which might be cropping up during menopause will reduce. So hormone replacement therapy will help the skin look younger and more youthful. However, it has its own side effects and it should not be continued for a long time. Long-term hormone replacement therapy is also known to be linked to some types of cancers. Discuss with your doctor whether you require hormonal replacement therapy before initiating it.